Education, as we know, makes us human. School and college education is the backbone to our future. Also, when we have graduated or are professionals, we need education for our career advancement. But at the same time, the education which we choose needs to be cost efficient, practical based and industry oriented. If your criteria to education is also the same, then actually you are looking for MNIT. At MNIT we provide your school, college and post-college education. For school students, we cover up the syllabus of CBSE, ICSE, ISC and West Bengal Board. For college-going learners, we cater to all computer-related subjects coming under arts, science, commerce and engineering streams. We also provide guidance to commerce students with university syllabus, both at graduation as well as post-graduation levels. For learners who have completed graduation or professionals, we cater all technologies that are required for jobs. In case a learner chooses a specific combination of topics, we also provide placement assistance. And all of these with certain USPs like affordable fees, experienced faculty like 23+ years experience in language and computer training and practicing CMA for commerce subjects. We conduct regular evaluation and declare results to parents through SMS. We provide monthly report cards and conduct regular job orientation sessions. We offer choice between offline and online classes to learners. Theory-based notes and material is provided to every learner along with module-wise worksheets. So don't look any further. Enroll yourself or your child to MNIT today.